Hey everyone, Wesbeck here. Welcome to VFX 101. Okay, last night I created Godzilla. Yes, if you guys want to know how I sketched Godzilla, join Mirza Camera On now. Okay, today I will give you the 10 dynamic logo animation for After Effects. It's free, 100% free. I hope you like this 10 logo animation templates. Okay, let's jump to the After Effects. Okay, first download the AE logo animation pack and right click and extract file, and you can click extract here also. Next, go to the After Effects and go to the file menu, open project and flame logo reveal. Okay, I chose a dome fire logo. Okay. Okay, so this is the default preset. So if you want to change the logo or text, simply go to the add logo text, and you can easily find this composition under the added column. Okay, next replace the logo. Simple right click, replace footage, file. Where is Hinji? I chose Mirza Camera On. Okay, simple replace, then go back to the render HD 1080p. Okay, next press 0 key for run preview. Nice, it's awesome. So this is very easy. Okay, let's open another project, Wrath of Titans. Open. Okay, so simple right click again, replace footage, file, for example on the logo. Next, go back to the title and wait for a second. It's total 3D. Oh my god. So what are you waiting for? Download this awesome 10 awesome templates pack. So like and share this video. Much more is more. Subscribe VFX 101 and must press the bell icon. Thank you.